Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a reacting / recreating my old Musical.Lys, and like, I'm not gonna lie, I still do TikToks, but I don't post them. Like, I only posted like 2 or 3, like, since it's became TikTok instead of Musical.Ly. But I don't know, I still really like watching them because they're pretty entertaining. So we're gonna watch my cringy old TikToks. And yes, I did say some bad words because I didn't actually, back then I thought if I didn't speak them, then it's not the same as cussing, but I still mouthed it, so I guess it's the same thing. So sorry. And y'all did it too, so. And yeah, follow me on all my social media, link down in the description box. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, duh. And yes, I kind of want to do a reacting to my subscribers TikToks. So if you want to see that, then comment your Musical.Ly or TikTok down in this I cannot talk today, down in the comment section, you know. So yeah, wait, is it recording? Okay, so this is the first Musical.Ly.
Youre with the money long as 6 mile, brick mile, knock your down, pick her up.
Boy, if you don't get
down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl. Yes, I slap dog. Yes, I slap loud. Yes, I slap a if he act out. Yes, I caught cases on the road with them killers.
Okay, so I remember, like, I always remember when I film stuff, so, like, I remember the day I did this, and I was so, like, I think I was going, yeah, I was going to cheer practice, and I was stressed out. Okay, that one,
Youre with the money long as 6 mile, brick mile, knock your down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl. Yes, I slap dog. Yes, I slap loud. Yes, I slap a if he act out. Yes, I caught cases on the road with them killers, bro. Youre.
Okay, that one was on point, so we'll watch the ones that I recreated at the end. Let's find the next one. While this is loading, I'm gonna learn this.
Pathetic. You're weak synthetic. If you think that you're gonna get past me, then you can forget it. Like, hello, do you hear me? I've been dying to let you know that you're the biggest waste man. Look, I'll take.
Okay. So.
You're the biggest waste man. Look, I'll take. Pathetic. You're weak synthetic. If you think that you're gonna get past me, then you can forget it. Like, hello, do you hear me? I've been dying to let you know that you're the biggest.
in my whip, keep it nasty. Bad bitch, but attitude nasty. In my whip, keep it nasty. Bad bitch, but attitude nasty.
Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna do this right, but. This is a 20-minute video, so let me hurry up. Okay.
In my whip, that bit nasty. Bad bitch, but attitude nasty.
Okay, okay.
And you look like a burnt garbanzo bean.
First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it.
But
And you look like a burnt garbanzo bean.
okay, we got this.
And you look like a burnt garbanzo bean.
First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it.
And you look like a burnt garbanzo bean.
I'm trying to see. Should I do this? I don't know.
Put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it.
And you look like a burnt garbanzo bean.
First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it.
Okay, guys, so I now have the next part of it. This is the last one that we're gonna remake because I've been struggling over here. I don't know if y'all noticed that, but I've been struggling. And what is this?
I got a bad girl in the morning like Kirko. Take him down to the first floor. Hoes waiting for a nigga on Pluto. So why on earth would I be waiting on you for? I got a bad girl
Nobody
like
would
every
wait
day.
on me.
I got a bad girl in
Nobody. Okay, turn it off, turn it off.
I got a bad girl, let me bang.
It will not let me like click on this.
I
Hold
got a
up.
bad girl, let me bang like Kirko.
Turn off.
Bad girl, let me bang like Kirko.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
I got a bad girl, let me bang like Kirko. Take him down to the first floor. Hoes waiting for a nigga on Pluto. So why on earth would I be waiting on you for? I got a bad girl like every day. I got a bad girl, let me bang like Kirko. Take him down to the first floor. Hoes waiting for a nigga on Pluto. So why on earth would I be waiting on you for? I got a bad girl like every day.
I saved it to my drafts because I'm very confident. Okay, so we're gonna watch all of the ones that I've done today and we're gonna compare. Okay, I need a charger. Okay, so I'm just gonna we're just gonna watch these. We're gonna watch the
Joy Road with the money long as 6 mile, brick mile, knock your down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl, yes, I slap dog, yes, I slap loud, yes, I slap a if he act out. Yes, I caught cases on the road with them killers. Joy Road with the money long as 6 mile, brick mile, knock your down, pick her up, knock her back down, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl, yes, I slap dog, yes, I slap loud, yes, I slap a if he act out. Yes, I caught cases on the road with them killers, bro.
Pathetic. You're weak synthetic. If you think that you're gonna get past me, then you can forget it. Like, hello, do you hear me? I've been dying to let you know that you're the biggest waste man. Look, I'll take synthetic. If you think that you're gonna get past me, then you can forget it. Like, hello, do you hear me? I've been dying to let you know that you're the biggest waste man. Look, then you can forget it. Like,
that was good, but
In my whip, that bit nasty. Bad bitch, but attitude nasty. In my whip, that bit nasty. Bad bitch, but attitude nasty.
And you look like a burnt garbanzo bean.
First you gotta put your neck into it.
And you look like a burnt garbanzo bean.
First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it.
Then props to me. But yes, make sure you subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, send me some of y'all's Musical.Ly accounts or TikToks, whatever the heck it's called now, and I will react to them, or like I'll just watch them and comment, you know, like, oh yes girl, get it. Okay, so anyway, I will be posting every day this weekend, so I'm gonna get this video up tonight, April 19th. Yeah, April 19th. And yes, I will see you guys. Ooh, something just broke. Something just broke. But anyway, I'll see y'all later.